Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you a super simple trick how to lock your PC instantly with just a quick double click. It's fast, secure, and incredibly easy to set up. But before we dive in, if you are new to the channel, I welcome you. And please don't forget to support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button, liking the video, and turning on the bell notification for more tech tips. I really appreciate your support. Now let's get started. So to double click to lock your PC, we are going to create a shortcut on the desktop, okay? And for demonstration purposes, I'm going to use my virtual machine which I've launched already. So let me open my virtual machine and then we demonstrate how to do that. So to create a shortcut on the desktop, you right click on an empty space on the desktop and then you go to new and then shortcut. So this is where we are going to type our command to lock the PC, okay, when we double click on the shortcut. So the command to type is run dll32.exe space user 32.dll, okay, bring comma, then space lock workstation. So this is the command we are going to use, okay? Run dll.exe space user 32.dll space lock workstation, okay? And then we click on next. And then here we can change the name of the shortcut. So in my case, I'm going to type lock PC. And then I'll click on finish. So this is the shortcut we've created to lock our PC the moment we double click on it, okay? You can also use the Windows logo key and the L, as we all know. So, but this one is very quick when you want to lock the PC. So let me demonstrate how it works, okay? So the moment I double click on it, the PC get locked, okay? So let me log into my VM again. Okay, so let me do it again. Double click on it, the PC get locked. Okay, so this brings us to the end of the tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, please consider subscribing to the channel, turning on the bell notification and liking the video. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.